Hey all, thanks for stopping by. My name is Adric, and I'm the president and beatboxer for Tonal Eclipse. Tonal Eclipse is BGSU's student-led co-ed a cappella group, and our auditions are open to everyone, regardless of your major. Our goal each year is to be able to perform for gigs and events, especially those hosted by BGSU, but we always keep in mind the opportunity to participate in ICCAs. We realized this semester that there are so many restrictions and concerns for everyone's safety, but know that we are working hard to make sure that we can come together to sing in a safe and responsible manner. Our focus this semester is to be able to do fun musical projects, videos, and recordings rather than the physical live performances. Tonal Eclipse's #1 focus is to always make sure that we have each other's back and that we're always looking out for each other. We are family first, and that's our #1 focus. We are a place for good friends to come together to make beautiful, amazing music, and we hope to see you at auditions. Shout out to our friends at 1040 and Acoustics.